Hi, my name is Matija Bumbak and I'm a shellfish farmer from Croatia. Here we are now at our farm talking about technology that XGain project provided for us that of course has been useful for our farming. We have a lot of problems as I guess any farmers, including sea farmers and land farmers, is we need to be aware of things that are happening, that are changing in the environment, that are, influenced by weather or other parameters. And for us, so far, we were not able to do this in locations which are not in an urban areas, but kind of remote as ours. So now with this kind of technology, we can collect this data and interesting facts that are important for our farming. So at our shellfish farm, where we grow mussels and oysters, for us, of course, the most important data is what's going on underwater. So in our case, we have first sensors that measure a number of parameters of water. Most important for us, the salinity, temperature, chlorophyll, which is food for the shellfish, and a number of others. Then this data is read in all the depth of water, which is important for us. It's sent to a labellium unit, which is just a device which collects the data and then resends it from the location where we measure the data. It sends it to the location where we have availability of internet, and then from there the data goes in the cloud, where we can read it from our phone and make a decision based on the data we receive. So it allowed us to actually do better farming, so we can adapt to the changes in the environment. We receive the data, what's going on in our case with the temperature, with the salinity, with the food for our mussels and oyster, and different kind of parameters, and then we can adapt our farming to what's going on in the environment. Whether we want to avoid this fresh water that's coming our way that will eventually kill our mussels and oysters, or we adapt to the availability of food or different things, but we are now smarter in making decisions. Saves us money and of course increases our chances of making some money. Well, the beginning, as with every new technology, it was a bit challenging to get how things are operating and how they are adapted to our specific location, but now it's very useful and it's without problems. We have all the data on our phone. It's very easy to understand what's going on and then make decisions based on it. So we love it. A lot of our neighbors and colleagues, when they heard about this, and they're looking into what's going on here, and they see that it works for us. So yes, they are interested. They would like to use it. Also, we've been working with some research institutions in Croatia that are interested in this data and how it benefits us, so they can replicate it in some other applications.